Hi, my name is Oscar, and today we're going to talk about anatomy. I'm going to be your host. What? Not Grey's Anatomy. No, that one sucked. It's better than yesterday. Oh, yeah. Sorry for Derek's death. Moving on. So, the project was to do a 3D model that definitely took 2 entire days to do, which definitely took me nothing of time. So, yeah, it was hard, but actually, it was pretty fun. Really fun. So, I was there minding my own business, relaxing, and then I got a call from my friend. And he was like, "Hey, yo, bro, I found out a way to make it easier and to make it faster." And I was like, "Oh, really? What did you do?" I just took an image from the internet and converted it with this video, and I was like, So us inside our bodies have organs, and organs make up our body. Our bodies cannot function without organs. Organs are vital parts of our bodies, and the structure of organs looks something kind of like this. So now let's focus on our model. So as you can see in the model, we have the brain, the spinal cord, the tonsil, the thyroid, the heart, the trachea, the lungs, the kidney, the liver, the diaphragm, the stomach, spleen, large intestine, small intestine, ureter, rectum, bladder, appendix, colon, pancreas, gallbladder, and liver. These organs are called the major organs. So right now, I'm going to explain all of the vital organs for you. So watch out, so here's a spam alert. So the brain. The brain is a complex organ that controls thought, memory, emotion, touch, motor skills, vision, breathing, temperature, hunger, and every process that regulates our body. The spinal cord. The brain and the spinal cord are your body's central nervous system. The brain is the command center for your body, and the spinal cord is the pathway for messages sent by the brain to the body and from the body to the brain. The thyroid. The thyroid controls your metabolism with a few specific hormones, which are 2. These 2 hormones are created by the thyroid, and they tell the body cells how much energy to use. The trachea. The trachea serves as a passage for air, moistens and warms it while it passes into the lungs, and protects the respiratory surface from accumulating of foreign parts. The lungs. The lungs and the respiratory system allow us to breathe. They bring oxygen into our bodies and send carbon dioxide out. This exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide is called respiration. The diaphragm. The diaphragm is located between the lungs. It is the major muscle of respiration. It is a large dome-shaped muscle that contracts rhythmically and continually, and most of the time involuntarily. The stomach has 3 main functions. Temporary storage for food, which passes from the esophagus to the stomach, where it is held for 2 hours or longer. Mixing and breakdown of food by contractions and relaxation of the muscle layers in the stomach, digesting food. The spleen. It fights invading germs in the body. The spleen contains infection-fighting white blood cells, and it controls the level of blood cells. It filters the blood and removes any old or damaged red blood cells. The large intestine. The purpose of the large intestine is to absorb water and salts from the material that has not been digested as food and get rid of any waste products left over. The small intestine has 3 parts, the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. It helps to further digest the food coming from the stomach. The ureter. The ureter is a tube that carries urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. These are 2 ureters, one attached to each kidney. The rectum's job is to receive stool from the colon. Let you know that there is stool to be evacuated, pooped out, and to hold the stool until the evacuation happens. The bladder. This triangle-shaped hollow organ is located in the lower abdomen. It is held in places by the ligaments that are attached to other organs and pelvic bones. The bladder's walls relax and expand to store urine, and contract and flatten to empty urine through the urethra. Appendix. The function of the appendix is unknown. One theory is that the appendix acts as a storehouse for good bacteria, rebooting the digestive system after diarrheal illnesses. Other experts believe the appendix is just a useless remnant from our evolutionary past. And I don't have an appendix. Colon. The colon removes water from some nutrients and electrolytes from partially digested food. The pancreas. During digestion, your pancreas makes pancreatic juice called enzymes. These enzymes break down sugar, fats, and starches. Your pancreas also helps your digestive system by making hormones. These are chemical messengers that travel through your blood. The gallbladder. The gallbladder sits on the right side of your belly, below your liver. It's a small organ shaped like a pear and that holds a fluid called bile. This liquid made in your liver helps you digest fast and certain vitamins. The liver regulates most chemical levels in the blood and excretes a product called bile. This helps carry away waste products from the liver. All the blood leaving the stomach and intestines passes through the liver. The kidneys. The kidney act as a very efficient filters for the reading of body waste and toxic substances and returning vitamins, amino acids, glucose, hormones, and other vital substances in the bloodstream. The heart. It's the muscle at the center of your circulatory system pumping blood around you and your body as your heart beats. This blood sends oxygen and nutrients to all parts of your body. It carries away unwanted carbon dioxide and waste products. Without hearts, we couldn't live. And the tonsil. The tonsil are the immune system's first line of defense against bacteria and viruses that enter your mouth. This function may make the tonsils particularly vulnerable to infection and inflammation. Knowing where your organs are can actually save your life. Because if you're having a pain in the appendix and you know that the appendix is there, you can go and tell the doctor, I'm having problems with my appendix. And the doctor will be like, oh, then you have appendicitis. And they're going to operate you. So knowing where your organs are can actually help you in case of you have a really bad pain in those places. Well, this was it for my project. Thank you so much for this opportunity of working and have a good day.